Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a huge Posh peanut haul. This is seriously my favorite brand. Guys, if you haven't been on this website, you need to go. It has women's loungewear, family matching outfits, and mainly just baby outfits. There's so many different prints for your little ones, and I am extremely obsessed with it. So follow along and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment below. Hi, Athena. Hi. Okay, so the first one, I did buy sizes for Athena that are a little bit bigger because she's huge and I wanted to get some for later because I love the prints. So the first one I'm going to be opening is the Lana Leopard twirl skirt, and it's short sleeve. This is so cute to match with some headbands and stuff like that. So let me show you this one. Okay, look how cute this is. It's literally the cutest little cheetah print onesie I've ever seen. Look at this. And so soft. If I could just like have you feel this through the phone, I would. So they just restocked on this one like last week and I had to grab it because it goes so fast, and they do have like a matching women's loungewear and like some bows and different styles of these. So I'll be showing you different styles and different patterns, but this is one of my favorites and I bought a couple of these in different colors. So let me show you those so you can see the different prints as well. The next one is going to be the same style, but a different print. So it's going to be the Dusk Rose, which I bought so much in this color because it's adorable for your little girls. And also have a matching pet too that I'm going to show you at the end. And I grabbed literally the last one, so I have to show you that. But let me show you this print in that same cheetah style. So this one's a 12 to 18 months. The last one was also a 12 to 18. So it's really nice. It's gonna fit her for a long time and so cute. I love this because it kind of matches with anything. You can literally add any color bow to match and any shoes. So I had to grab this one. So cute, and this is one of their newer ones. I will be showing all of them at the end so you can kind of like see what we got. Okay, so the next one is a 18 to 24 months, which I bought this for later so I don't have to keep buying things, but this one's even though I will, this one's a vintage pink rose, and oh my gosh, guys, it's adorable. It's literally so innocent looking and beautiful and very blush like. So this is that one. It has a tree green in it with some blush tones, so I love this. It's gonna look so good on your little girls and so beautiful. This one you can match with like a green bow, white bow, yellow bow, pink, any type of pink. Kind of goes with everything. I feel like Posh Peanut literally you can put with anything because it's just so cute anyways. Then let me just show you, I did open this one already because I love matching with my nugget, but I have the same pattern as this in a twirl skirt, but this one has long sleeves. So I really want to show you this because I actually put her to bed in this sometimes because it's so soft and it's so warm and cozy. So this is that, matches me, and it has the cutest twirl skirt and just like the same as the other one. It does come with these two buttons so it's easier to get over their head as well. And the long sleeved, which is super nice. Love this because I love matching her. Let me know what you guys would prefer in my comments, the long sleeve or the short sleeve or both. So for all the boy mamas, I don't have a boy, but I am gifting this to someone. This is 0 to 3 months and it's their newer print. It's the vintage dino. Guys, this is so adorable. If I had a boy, he'd be in it right now. This is called the short sleeve Henley Romper. So let me show you this. How cute is this? It's a little romper. This is super cute for like a coming home outfit or just an everyday outfit. It's so soft. When I say this product is so soft, guys, Posh Peanut knows how to do it. They have it down, but I love it. And the little buttons, oh my gosh, guys, so cute. So this is what the 0 to 3 months looks like. They are very soft, so it makes it really stretchy. And so they do last longer depending on how big your baby is and stuff, but they do last longer than the actual sizing. So I love this. Check this out. I could put the link in the comments below if anybody wants it. I don't know if they are sold out because they do sell out super quickly with like every print they come out with, but they do have, which actually recently blew up, was retailers. So they are selling to different retailers all over the US. So I can also put a link to that. They have a Facebook group where they actually post the retailers. So if you're interested in that, let me know. The next thing, which I have not had one of these yet, so this is going to be new to me as well, is the footy pajamas. I bought them in a dusk rose and the French gray. So let me show you those. They're really loose fitting, but I bought them both in a 9 to 12 because we don't really have a lot of clothes for that time of Athena's life. So that's why I got a lot of stuff for her for the future. Excited for this. Okay, I am so in love already. This is the French gray, and look at this beautiful masterpiece. It has the footies on the bottom with some like gripping. So when she does walk, this will be super good on the flooring in our house. And it's so beautiful, this coloring. And the back, look at how cute this is. Has the little ruffles. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is something I would invest in. If you guys do like any of these, please, please, please comment and I will lead you to them. I'll find them for you if you'd like. But so cute. And the zipper. These are my favorite footies because when I do change my baby, I like to just like flip it over, and the zipper's so nice because buttons do tend to give you a little hassle throughout the day or night. So this is one of my favorites. Super nice zipper too. Their quality is amazing. The next one we have is dusk rose in that same style. So you can see the same pattern, but in a different style. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then the bottom is like a bluey color. I think it's a sailor blue, I want to say. I believe it's a sailor blue. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know. But I think that's what it is. And this is also a 9 to 12. Super cute. You can pair this with literally anything because I love it. It's so nice. Such a beautiful coloring. One of my favorites, actually. Okay, I have a few more before the Pat 2 and the Lubbies that they make. So the next styles I'm going to be showing you are the ruffled cap sleeve rompers. I bought these in the Dusty Rose and Country Rose, and one's in the 9 to 12 and one's in the 12 to 18. So this is the Country Rose, and this one doesn't have the footies, and then this one has the buttons in the middle to unclip and change their diaper. And the cap sleeves are so cute. They're so cute. Look at these cap sleeves. And then, yeah, it also has the ruffles on the butt, which I love. I think she's gonna look so adorable. I'm gonna try them all on her so you can see. But yeah, this is adorable. Next one is the same style, but in the Dusty Rose, solid color print, so you can do anything with this. Same thing, just this is the color. Yeah, so I'm gonna hold this closer so you can see, but super cute. I like this because it's kind of just something neutral, which Posh Peanut has a lot of different designs, but they do have a lot of neutrals as well that you can find. Their next collection came out on Thursday, and it's adorable. They're all ribbed, which is so nice. I can't wait to purchase those. But that's this one. And then let me show you something I bought for 4th of July, because on holidays they do come out with such cute things. They're coming out with a Halloween one, so I can't wait for that. This is the 4th of July one that Athena wore, and this is the romper, the cap sleeve one. So super cute, has the ruffles, and I love the little hearts. But that's this one, and then as you can see, this is like where her legs will go with the clips and stuff. So super nice, loved it. She still fits in this, and it's a 3 to 6 month. Posh Peanut also does have a sale section, so I did go through there, and a lot of their 0 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 9 are sold out, but I grabbed the Rocco Elephant one before it was gone, and this is the 3 to 6 months. So cute. This is the loungewear for her. So for the Rocco Elephant, you have the little top, so cute. And then we have the little pants, which I absolutely love. I think it's adorable. They have these ones in select styles. They're a little harder to find, but I happened to find this one, and I believe it was like the last one. So super cute and super comfy. You can match the shirts with different pants, or the pants with different shirts, which I love about that. So this is something really great to buy. So the next thing that I'm going to be showing you are the Lovies, and I know the Lovies and the Pat2s are 1 per style per customer. So I happened to get the Dusk Rose one because I have so many styles in this color. This is super cute. I'm probably going to use it more for like a bib type thing as she eats or I burp her. But I absolutely love it. There's a little hook to add these to your pacifiers. So it is so adorable. And it has the sailor blue on the back. And it complements the print really well. So I love that. But that's this. They have these in a lot of different colors. But if you do have any questions about this, or if you want me to like show you how to add this to your pacifier, I can do that. Just leave a comment below. And yeah, these are newer, so I know they're sold out of a couple of them, but they still have some left. All right, guys, get ready. We are opening the Pat2. I haven't seen one of these in person. I've only seen them on their lives or on their Instagram or Facebook, so I am super excited. This is for me and Athena, but mainly for me because it's the bigger version. This is the Luxe, so they have different types of Pat2s. I know there's one that's like really tiny, and then there's a medium-sized one, and then there's the Luxe, and this is their newer version of the Pat2s. So I got, as you can guess, the Dusk Rose because that's my favorite print. But let's open that because I am so excited, and then I will leave the dimensions in my description for that as well. Look at this masterpiece. I'm so excited. And it's limited edition, so I don't know if that means they're done with these or if they will restock, but I will find that out for you. So cute. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I have been so excited for this. And this has the sailor blue on the back as well. So everything that they make has the same accent color in all their styles. So this is the blanket. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Let me show you it like around me so you can kind of see how big it is. But I will show you like a bigger view of it as well. Oh my gosh, this is so comfy, and it's actually so warm and big, and oh my gosh, it has like the little ruffle on the back and super cute to take some growth pictures in and stuff. And then this is the back of it, so super cute, solid. And I love blue, so this is perfect for me. So cute, love it. And I am so happy they made these because I needed a blanket for Athena and I to just relax on and love. So cute. Okay, so I am going to be showing you what I am giving away to you guys. In the comments, I want you to tell me what your favorite baby brand is, and then I will be numbering those comments and I will do a random generator and see who won. And that giveaway will be open for a week after my posting date. So be sure to get it as soon as you can. I will be giving away what I'm wearing. So this is it. This is for you guys. It is a large, but I usually wear right now like a 4 or 6, so it fits really cozy. And I usually wear my shirt a little bit bigger because I breastfeed, so it's a lot nicer, and the pants fit amazing and super comfy and soft. So if you're around that 4, 6, 8-ish, it'll fit any of you, even like a 2, because it does have like the drawstrings for the pants, so you can tie them. Anybody can wear these. They're so nice, and feel free to comment, and I will be doing that in a week and posting a live with it. So follow along with that.